We are pleased to show you the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.